Alcoholism is not correlated to the kind of alcohol that someone drinks or how long they have been drinking for. Even how much alcohol a person consumes has little connection. In fact, it is a person's uncontrollable need for alcohol which plays a significant factor in alcoholism. Many alcoholics do not have enough strength to stop drinking because they crave, and that craving is as strong as the need for survival. I have developed insights into developing personal relationships within clinical settings. I would use open-ended questions with two-way communication. Two-way open-ended communication encompasses the transmission of information between two individuals, using own opinions rather than a predetermined set of possibilities, thus minimizing confusion, stress, and embarrassment. Each year, the advertising industry evolves in unpredictable and exciting new ways. There are thousands of trends which are supported by research from studies to help those in the marketing field. Ideas are generated from consumers' perceptions, as well as the predictions of the industry's future. That is why researchers help to build and construct strategies in the marketing of the world's most powerful brands, including Apple and Google. Maintaining offensive and forceful interactions with co-workers in the healthcare industry represents an unstructured task completion. Furthermore, it seems that most staff members are inexperienced in medication administration and hospital policies. Academics remark that the directive leadership style would be the best initial choice of approach in such situations. Lava with pyroclastic flows are lethal and a significant danger to mankind and anything that stands in its way. Its boiling and fast speed of gas and tephra have killed many civilians in the world's history, including the victims of Herculaneum and Pompeii. The lava flow that destroyed Herculaneum was boiling as 500 degrees, boiling and vaporizing the flesh of the victims. The ancient Greeks observed the living and material substances and properties. Amber is an excretion of specific trees in response to lesions. When the amber is rubbed with a piece of cloth, it becomes rigid and draws dust particles towards it. The people from the Mediterranean also had knowledge of the eccentric properties of the torpedo fish that lived in coastal areas, including its stinging abilities when disturbed. The kangaroo's pouch is a common name for the scientific name of the marsupium. The pouch is so vital to the development of the kangaroo species, as it provides shelter and warmth for their joeys. Its fold of skin is found alone in females covering their breasts. It forms an epidermal bag which fulfills the role of an incubator. For centuries, Atlantis has been one of the Western world's favorite legends, a tantalizing blend of fantasy and mystery. Stories tell of a rich and glorious empire that was lost to the sea, where some hope its ruins still lie, waiting to be discovered. This incident has given me the opportunity to immensely reflect my experience, synthesizing contemporary knowledge with evidence based practice to improve my critical thinking. It has favored me to develop and critically evaluate interpersonal qualities, which will benefit to inform future discrete events. The second and third code of conducts have been broken as nurses do not meet the professional standards and the laws relevant to the nursing profession. Thus, the safety of the patient was compromised. The second code of conduct also emphasizes the importance of the right documentation and adhering to standard hospital policies in terms of reporting misconducts.
Remember, never stop practicing. Watch more of our videos to master your English skills and get 490s. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to stay in tune for more videos. And good luck with all your exams.